Here's the most delicious pork adobo recipe.
The ingredients. Instructions.
Number 1, slice the garlic into thin pieces, then set aside. Number 2, start making the garlic chips by heating the cooking oil in the pan. Add all the garlic. Continue cooking using low heat while stirring occasionally until the garlic turns golden brown and crispy. Number 3, separate the oil from the garlic, then set aside. Note, the oil is now garlic infused and can be used to cook other dishes in the future. Number 4, pour 3 tablespoons of garlic infused oil on the same pan. Saute the onion until it starts to caramelize. Number 5, add pork. Cook until the outer part turns medium brown in color. 6, add soy sauce, white vinegar, oyster sauce, lemon lime soda, and water. Then let boil. Number 7, add cracked peppercorn, bay leaves, and half of the garlic chips. Cover the pan and continue cooking in low heat for 1 hour or until the pork gets tender. Number 8, remove the cover of the pan. Continue cooking until the sauce completely evaporated. Number 9, transfer to a serving plate. Serve with warm rice. Number 10, garnish with chopped parsley and remaining garlic chips. Number 11, share and enjoy.